insertion in 10 seconds. Drone has located a bomb. 5 seconds before insertion. Your drone has found a bomb. You found a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it.
Activating code.